Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn on WhatsApp backup with videos, so you never lose your important chats or those memorable video clips. Whether you're switching phones or just want peace of mind, following these simple steps will keep your conversations and media safe and secure. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust all your WhatsApp preferences. Next, tap on Chats. Here, you'll find options related to your chat history and appearance. Scroll down until you see Chat Backup. Tap on it to access your backup settings. This is where you control how and when WhatsApp saves your messages and media to the cloud. Now, if you want to include videos in your backup, look for the switch labeled Include Videos. Toggle this switch on. When enabled, WhatsApp will back up all the videos shared in your chats, not just text and photos. Keep in mind that including videos may increase the size of your backup and could take longer to upload, especially if you have a lot of large files. After turning on the Include Videos option, you can choose your backup frequency daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap Backup. You can also select the Google account or iCloud account where your backup will be stored, depending on your device. Once you've set everything up, tap Backup to start the process immediately, or wait for your scheduled backup time. That's it. Your WhatsApp chats and videos are now safely backed up and ready to restore whenever you need them. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to save it for future reference and share it with friends who might need a little help with their WhatsApp backups. Thanks for watching, and keep your memories safe.